Boltay Huroof is actually trying to solve the problems of blind individuals by working on a technology software that will create inclusive braille books and documents. Our software is based on two modules. The first one is a translation software which translates
Welcome to
Urdu,
Boltay Huroof.
English and other local languages into braille. Now I have just provided an English text that will be converted into braille.
Translate. Translated. Paste.
Then I
Pasted.
provided it with the text in our mother
File.
tongue, which is Urdu, and
Translate.
it converted it into its braille.
Translated.
Our second module assists in creating braille books and documents. So the design related things are created on this software, that is Braille Designer, and then its hard print is produced. These are some samples that we have designed on it, our beginning level math book. Similarly, in this way we have designed the bank's deposit slip on our software. Now here is a sample of our beginning level English book with tactile graphics concept. Our beginning level math book. Our national flag sample. Our holy book surah sample. Bank deposit slip sample. Nurani Qaida. All these samples are obtained in hard copy form after the design process.